All right, so to add two fractions together, we need to first find the least common denominator of those fractions, assuming those denominators are different from each other. If they are, then we need to change each fraction to be an equivalent fraction with that least common denominator. After that, we add the numerators together to form the new fractions and put them over to the least common denominator, and then reduce at the lowest terms if possible. So for instance, if I want to do 1/8 plus 3/8, those are both common, they both have the same denominator to begin with. So you can think of this as 1 plus 3 divided by 8. So if I have one of these 8s and I'm adding 3 of these 8s, that's 1 plus 3 of these 8s. So 4 8s. And you can divide the top and bottom by 4 to end up with 1/2. 1/2 plus 2/5. They have nothing in common, so the least common denominator is 10. So what I'll need to do is I need to make both of these as fractions with denominators of 10. So for the 1/2, I would have to multiply the top and bottom by 5. For the 2/5, I'd have to multiply the top and bottom by 2. So that gives us 5/10 plus 4/10, which is 9/10. So 1/2 plus 2/5 is 9/10. If I want to try 11/27 plus 5/18, I need to first figure out the least common denominator. And I could pull out a 9, and I'm left with 3 and 2. So the least common denominator would be 9 times 3 times 2, which is 54. And I would have to, so 27, I would have to multiply that by 2. So top and bottom. 18, I would have to multiply the top and bottom by 3. So this becomes 22 over 54 plus 15 over 54. And then add the numerators. 22 plus 15 is 37 over 54.